Hello, I am Janet Bafna from Jevin Shah Tutorials. I secured an All India rank of 1830 in JEE Advanced. I secured an All India rank of 2280 in JEE Mains with a percentile of 99.80. In boards, I secured 98.5% with a perfect 100 in mathematics. In CET, I secured an All State rank of 162 with a percentile of 99.92. In BITS, I secured 348 marks. In KVPY, I secured an All India rank of 1115. In UGEE, I secured an All India rank of 98.
I'm Jalak Kamdar from Jevin Shah Tutorials. I've cleared JEE Advanced with an All India rank of 8996. In JEE Mains, I've secured a percentile of 99.17 and an All India rank of 8453. In my 12th boards, my percentage was 97.7 with a perfect 100 in mathematics. In CET, my percentile was 99.7 with a state rank of 573.
Hello, I am Neil Shah from Jevin Shah Tutorials. I have secured 97.16 percentile in JEE Mains with an All India rank of 26,520. I have also cleared JEE Advanced. I have secured 98.3 percentage in HSC Boards exam. I also secured 96.48 percentile in CET.
Due to systematic routine and timely completion of syllabus, I strongly recommend to join Jevin Shah Tutorials for your future IIT JEE preparations.
Due to systematic routine and timely completion of the syllabus, I strongly recommend joining Jevin Shah Tutorials for future IIT preparations.
Due to systematic routine and timely completion of syllabus, I strongly recommend joining Jevin Shah Tutorials for future IIT preparations.